De-stressing is the operation undertaken with or without rail tensor to secure the stress-free conditions of LWR in desired temperature. In this video, we can see how the de-stressing is practically done in the field. Minimum length of LWR is 250 meter and maximum of one block section. The de-stressing cannot be done in a single stretch, so LWR shall be de-stressed by parts based on the availability of traffic block and labors. Any disturbances in the track like check rail and guardrail should be removed. Also, fish plates and stretcher bonds, any disturbance to the process can be removed. Before taking the actual block, the speed restriction of 30 km/h should be imposed. During pre-block, the fastenings loosened and removed for only the alternate sleepers. Sometimes the fastenings cannot be removed during the block time. So initially we have to check all the fastenings can be removed. The pre-activities are ensured properly. And we should ensure that all trains are allowed in restricted speed only, because fastenings are removed for alternate sleepers. Men and material should be ready for the block activities. In this location, we are planned for 500 meter de-stressing from the SCJ. The gap of SCJ is measured here. Today we are going to fix the gap as 40 mm during de-stressing. In the specified de-stressing temperature. The temperature should be within the range of de-stressing temperature, that is mean temperature to plus 5 degree of rail temperature. For Coimbatore, mean rail temperature is given as 35 degrees Celsius in temperature zones map. De-stressing temperature is 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Based on the de-stressing temperature, the color coding is given on the rail thermometer. If the rail temperature is less than the de-stressing temperature, rail tensor should be used for the elongation of the rail. Now traffic block is given, all are ready to do the de-stressing. During traffic block, a closer rail near SCJ should be cut and removed. The SCJ gap should be adjusted and fastening should be done in the SCJ portion. At the time of de-stressing, the tip of the tongue rail should be coincide with the midpoint of the central bolt. After the adjustment of SCJ, the fastenings on both the rails should be removed. From SCJ ends to center of the LWR, and rails lifted and placed on the rollers for every 15 sleepers. In curves, side rollers also to be used. N number of side rollers should be used, where n is equal to radius of the curve into number of sleepers per rail length divided by 50 into T0 minus Tp. This location is straight track only, so no need of side rollers. After placing the rollers, the rails are struck with wooden mallets to release the stresses. Within the de-stressing temperature, the rail can be contract or extend with the longitudinal movement. Here, by the longitudinal movement, the rail is expanded. So, in this case, the rail can be cut and welded. If there is any contraction, we have to introduce a new cut rail, minimum length of 4 meters. During the process, the rail temperature should be noted frequently. The rollers are removed and rails lowered to the correct alignment. The fastening should be tightened from the center of the LWR to SEJ ends. The greasing of ERC and inserts should be done properly. Okay. Within the traffic block, all the process should be done completely. During tightenings of fastenings, the arrangement for insertion of cut rails, minimum 4 meter or longer, between the SEJ and LWR is started. If there is any weld within 4 meter, it can be eliminated. The cutting of the rail is calculated by the availability of closer rail. The existing rail is cut and removed now. Now cut rail is placed in the position and it should be fastened. Welding cannot be done within this traffic block. By using 1 meter fish plate, the rails are joined and using clamps and bolts. Before allowing traffic, the SSC or JE shall ensure the safety of the train.